Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple TV 4K, which is the brand new one that hasn't been updated since 2017. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we are back. As you can see, this is the box. Apple TV remote Apple TV, for those that don't know. And it's upside down. That's better, isn't it? TV, remote, vice versa. On this side, Apple TV 4K, nothing. And nothing on the other sides either. And this is the 32GB model, which is ideal for me because I only intend to be streaming. Let's see, what does it say? The ultimate cinematic experience. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR pitch quality and immersive Dolby Atmos sounds, provided you've got the accessories that are sold separately. Yeah, typical Apple. Sold separately. Let's unbox it. Right, instead of a knife, let's just use some scissors. One, two, three, and why not? 4 for 4. Flip it over. Get rid of you. The reveal. And we have the Apple TV box. And this looks exactly the same as the old one in terms of design. But what is actually new is the remote itself. So now we've got a D-pad, as well as swipe gestures, on-off button, back button, TV, mute, play pause, volume, and the Siri button's now on the side. What else do we get in the box? We get a lightning cable for charging. I've got plenty of them now, but I don't know why you even included it. They may as well get rid of it. Go the whole way. And we also get the power cable as well. So I'll be right back and take you through the setup process. Okay guys, we are back at the setup screen. We're going to choose English as the language. United Kingdom. Continue. Hit OK on that. Right, and I'll be right back. Password, we're going to say require after 15 minutes. Yeah, we're going to use Siri. TV provider, I'm going to say not now. Key out apps on home screen, so today on every Apple TV, blah 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 blah. Yep. Right, where are we located? Yep. Use HomePod as speakers when Apple TV. Yep. Right, what do I... Right, automatically download. Yep. Don't share. We've come this far, so yep, go ahead, agree to T's and C's, and we're in. And straight away it says we've got a an update maybe? Let's just click Apple TV. Apple TV Plus, TV shows, kids, library. Go back. And yeah, this is the main screen. Maybe it wasn't an update and my apps are downloading. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and setup of the new Apple TV 4K, and I hope you like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.